Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Pratt and Whitney R985 Wasp Jr. is a series of 9-cylinder, air-cooled, radial aircraft engines built by the Pratt and Whitney Aircraft Company from the 1930s to the 1950s. Over 39,000 of these engines were built, and many are still in service today.
Take our lead.
When the engine sits, the oil that is coating the inside of the crankcase leaks down into the lower cylinders. Oil fouls the plugs and it takes a few pops to burn it off. Radial engines are notorious for oil leaks, mostly because there are so many more places for potential leaks than on a horizontally opposed engine.
Take our lead.
Reliability. Simply put, the radial engine is generally much more reliable. This is because it features a shorter crankshaft, simpler design, and creates less vibration. That less vibration means that it will suffer from greatly reduced levels of wear and tear during use.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why don't cars use radial engines instead of horizontally opposed piston engines? Too complex, not space or mass efficient, hard to cool, hard to work on. Most car engines have their pistons arranged inline, or in two inline banks making a V.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.